Hi, friends. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hey everyone, I'm Tom and this is Lily, and we are your English learning friends.
And if this is your first time here, we are so glad you found us.
Please write your English level in the comments.
Every single day, we make videos to help you speak English more naturally. And today is a good one.
We are talking about a day in an American life. Like, what do real people actually do from morning to night?
Right. Not the movies, not the TV shows, real life. Coffee, commutes, lunch breaks, all of it.
And we have so many natural, everyday phrases for you today, the kind of English you actually need.
So, grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's do this together.
But first, we have a question for you.
Ooh, yes. So, later in this episode, Tom is going to tell us a story about something very funny that happened to him during his lunch break at work.
Oh no, are we really doing this?
We are absolutely doing this. So here is the question for you.
Great, just great.
What do you think happened to Tom at lunch? Did he forget his food at home? Did he spill something? Or did he order the wrong thing completely?
It's worse than all of those options.
Ooh, okay, so comment below what do you think happened, and stay until the end of the episode to find out if you were right. Okay, Tom, let's start from the very beginning of a typical American day. What time do most people wake up?
Oh, people wake up early, like 6 or 6:30 in the morning.
Yeah, Americans love an early morning.
Well, love is a strong word. More like they have no choice.
Okay, fair. So you wake up, what's the very first thing most people do?
Grab their phone and check it for like 15 minutes.
Yes, that is too real.
And then, the most important part of the morning, you grab a coffee.
Oh, coffee is very serious in America.
Very serious. Some people make coffee at home, some people stop at a coffee shop on the way to work, but almost everyone has coffee in the morning.
And then what? You head to work?
Exactly. You head to work. Some people drive, some people take the subway or the bus. Some people work from home now, which is very common.
Oh, yes, working from home became really popular in recent years. So instead of driving, you just walk to your home office.
Or your kitchen table.
Or your couch, let's be honest.
So then you work through the morning, and around noon or 12 o'clock, you take a lunch break.
Yes, lunch break. And this is where your story happens, right, Tom?
Yeah, we'll get there. We'll definitely get there.
After work, usually around 5 or 6 p.m., people go home and then they do things like cook dinner, hang out with family, watch TV, or go to the gym.
And on weekdays, most people go to bed around 10 or 11 p.m.
So that's a full American day. Wake up, grab coffee, head to work, lunch break, go home, hang out, go to bed.
Simple, busy, and very, very caffeinated.
Perfect description. Okay, let's talk about something important in today's conversation. Did you notice we used a lot of verbs together, like grab coffee or head to work?
Yes, these are called verb plus noun combinations, or we can call them collocations.
A collocation is when two words go together naturally in English. Native speakers always use these combinations. They sound very natural.
For example, we don't usually say take a coffee in the morning, we say grab a coffee.
And we don't say go to work only. We also say head to work. Both are correct, but head to sounds more casual and natural.
Another example, we hang out with friends, not spend time with in casual conversation, just hang out.
So today, we're going to teach you the most important daily routine collocations. These are phrases that real Americans use every single day.
Learn these and your English will sound so much more natural.
Ready? Let's go.
Okay, phrase number 1. Wake up.
Wake up. This means to stop sleeping and open your eyes. Very simple, very important.
I wake up at 6:30 every morning, but honestly, I hit the snooze button like 3 times first.
Oh, yes, the snooze button. That is a very American habit.
The snooze button is a very important part of American culture.
Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. Wake up. I wake up at 6:30. I wake up early every morning. Great job. Phrase number 2. Grab a coffee.
Grab a coffee. Grab means to quickly take something. So grab a coffee means to quickly get a coffee.
I always grab a coffee before I do anything in the morning. It's like my brain doesn't turn on until that first sip.
Same. I actually went to work once without my coffee, and I forgot my own name for like the first hour. I'm only slightly exaggerating.
Repeat after me. Grab a coffee. I grab a coffee every morning. I grabbed a coffee on the way to work. Excellent.
Phrase number 3, head to work.
Head to work. Head to means to go somewhere. It's a casual, natural way to say go to.
You can also say, I'm heading out. That means I'm leaving now.
Every morning, I head to work at 8:15. I try to leave by 8, but it never happens.
Never?
Never. There's always one more thing I forgot to do.
Repeat after me. Head to work. I head to work at 8. She heads to work by bus. Perfect.
Phrase number 4. Get stuck in traffic.
Oh, this one. I know this one too well.
Get stuck in traffic means your car cannot move because there are too many other cars on the road.
In big American cities like Los Angeles or New York, traffic is very, very bad. People can sit in traffic for 1 hour, sometimes 2 hours, just to get to work.
Ugh, that sounds so exhausting.
It is. I got stuck in traffic for 90 minutes once, and I just sat there listening to the same song on repeat.
Which song?
I'm not telling you. It was embarrassing.
Repeat after me. Get stuck in traffic. I got stuck in traffic this morning. She gets stuck in traffic every day. Well done.
Phrase number 5. Take a lunch break.
Take a lunch break. A break is a short time when you stop working. So a lunch break is when you stop working to eat lunch.
And this is where my story happens.
Yes, Tom, tell us.
Okay, so one day I decided to take a lunch break at this nice restaurant near my office. I ordered a big bowl of soup, and then I was very carefully walking back to my table, and I tripped, and the soup went everywhere, on my shirt, on my pants, on the floor.
Tom!
And the worst part, the absolute worst part, I had a very important meeting at 1 p.m. with my boss and his boss.
No! What did you do?
I went to the clothes store next door and bought the only shirt they had in my size. It had a picture of a large, smiling frog on the front.
You wore a frog shirt to a meeting with your boss's boss.
I did. And you know what? Nobody said anything. I think they were too confused.
That is the best story. Repeat after me. Take a lunch break. I take a lunch break at noon. He took a lunch break and spilled his soup. And maybe don't order soup. Phrase number 6. Get off work.
Oh, my favorite phrase. Get off work. This means to finish your workday.
I get off work at 5. That means my workday ends at 5 p.m.
That feeling when you get off work on a Friday, there's nothing better.
Absolute freedom.
Repeat after me. Get off work. I get off work at 5. What time do you get off work? Amazing. Phrase number 7. Hang out.
Hang out. This means to spend time with people in a relaxed, casual way, not formal. Just fun time together.
You hang out with friends. You hang out at home. You hang out at a coffee shop.
After work, a lot of Americans hang out with friends for a little while before going home. Maybe they grab a drink or go for a walk or just sit and talk.
Americans work hard, but they also really value their social time. Hanging out with people is really important.
Repeat after me. Hang out. I hang out with my friends after work. Do you want to hang out this weekend? Great. And our last phrase, phrase number 8, call it a night.
Oh, I love this one. Call it a night. This means to decide to stop doing something and go home or go to sleep.
You might say, I'm exhausted. Let's call it a night.
It's like saying, okay, we are done for today. Let's go to bed.
After a long American day of waking up early, grabbing coffee, heading to work, maybe getting stuck in traffic, taking a lunch break, hopefully without the soup disaster, getting off work and hanging out with friends, you call it a night.
Sounds exhausting when you list it all like that.
It does, but it's also a full, good life.
Repeat after me. Call it a night. It's late. Let's call it a night. I called it a night at 10 p.m. Well done.
Okay, let's do a quick review of everything we learned today.
Today's topic, a day in an American life. And here are the 8 phrases we practiced.
Number 1, wake up, to stop sleeping.
Number 2, grab a coffee, to quickly get a coffee.
Number 3, head to work, to go to work.
Number 4, get stuck in traffic, when your car can't move because of too many cars.
Number 5, take a lunch break, to stop working to eat lunch.
Number 6, get off work, to finish your workday.
Number 7, hang out, to spend relaxed, fun time with people.
And number 8, call it a night, to stop and go to sleep.
These are 8 phrases that real Americans use every single day. Now, you can use them too.
And now, one more time, let's say all 8 phrases together fast.
Wake up, grab a coffee, head to work, get stuck in traffic.
Take a lunch break, carefully. Get off work, hang out, call it a night.
You just described a full American day in 8 phrases. How amazing is that?
You are learning so fast. Seriously, we are so proud of you.
Every phrase you learn brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally. Keep going.
Okay, now here is your comment challenge for today.
Describe your typical day using at least 3 of these phrases. Write it in the comments below. We read every single one.
For example, you could write, I wake up at 7, I grab a coffee, and I head to school.
Or maybe I get off work at 6 and then I hang out with my family.
Use your own day. Use your own words. There is no wrong answer.
And if you want to say, yes, I will do the challenge, just comment, yes, I will.
We love seeing those comments. They make our day every single time.
Seriously, every comment means so much to us. Thank you for being part of this community.
And if today's lesson helped you, please share it with one friend who is also learning English. One share can change someone's learning journey.
You are not learning alone. We are here with you every single day. Okay, before we go, remember our question from the beginning?
Oh, yes, the soup.
We asked, what happened to Tom at lunch? And now you know the answer.
Tom spilled an entire bowl of soup on himself right before an important meeting and showed up wearing a crab shirt.
A smiling crab. Very professional. If you guessed he spilled something, you were absolutely right.
And if you guessed crab shirt, I don't know how you knew that, but respect.
Respect!
And if you are watching this for the first time, we upload a brand new English lesson every single day. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss one.
Every day is a new word, a new phrase, a new step forward. That's what Daily English Talk is all about.
We believe in you, every single one of you watching right now. You are doing something amazing by choosing to learn every day.
Seriously, not everyone tries, but you are here, and that makes all the difference.
So keep showing up, keep practicing, and keep talking.
We will see you tomorrow for another brand new lesson. Same time, same place, right here on Daily English Talk.
Until then, take care of yourselves.
Bye for now.
See you tomorrow.